Oh, I am done now. These cursed robots and their disgusting stench. It's not like anyone cares about this place anymore. And besides, those animatronics were useless anyways. But now I don't have to deal with those animatronics anymore. I dismembered them, and they can never stop me, the purple guy. No. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what to do. I gotta hide. Stay back. Okay. The broom. Oh, I gotta hide somewhere. Wait, is that the spring bodysuit? Okay. Yes. Oh, I need to hide here from the stupid ghosts. Can't hurt me now, can you?